cool scar. Ooh, got another one. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's a nice big one from surgery. That elbows from a taxi. But I'm going to give the step-by-step instructions on how to burp. First watch, then later on try. I spent 2.5 hours writing this out for some people that wanted to know. But first, number 1, close lips and put air pressure against them by puffing cheeks out. Do a monkey face, with your teeth apart, and open mouth with your lips together, as so. Well, I guess my teeth are not completely open, but it's like halfway. Yeah, you got the monkey face. 2, now pretend to act like a frog with your throat. You know how frogs make their throats big when they croak. You'll be able to feel the tongue go lower in your mouth. Practice just that, the lowering of the tongue. When you place the side of your hand at the meeting point of your throat and jaw, your hand will be pushed away from your head when you open your throat when lowering the tongue, doing the frog throat. You do the same action to release a belch after you finish pushing / swallowing air down the throat. I'll demonstrate the frog throat. That looks pretty good. Like, you see? Is it moving out? I can't tell. Is it? Okay. And your tongue goes down, throat goes out. Like, tongue goes down and throat. You really can't see that. 4. Make the... Oh, wait. Okay, 3. You have the monkey face and the throat relaxed, open / frog throat. Now comes the pushing / swallowing of air into the stomach. Oh, I spelled that wrong. Make the pressure against your cheeks stronger, and think of opening the small opening, and think of opening a small opening in the area where you feel food and water go down. Thinking will not open or relax it. It's just good to think of it. If you have ever choked on something when you didn't chew it well enough and it gets caught in that one spot, that's the area I'm talking about in which you should think about. But when you're choking, you're like, holy crap, I'm going to die choking on a piece of chicken because you didn't chew it enough piece of times. That happened to me. It's also the area that gets stabbed by some mischewed Doritos or other sharp foods. Okay, yeah, just way back there. Basically, if you're trying to throw up down that area, the uvula, like that. Okie dokie. 5. Push, squeeze.